Today, I'll show you how to quickly add a countdown timer to your Shopify store to boost sales and create urgency around your product. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the Apps section. Scroll down, click on Shopify's App Store, and under the search box, simply type in Countdown. Here you have many options, but I would recommend you to choose this app in particular as it's easy to use. Click Install. Install again. Now click on Create a new timer. And right here you have several options, or locations I should say, to where you want to put the timer on your store. For example, you can choose to put it in your product page. You can customize the name of your timer and add a custom title for people to see. Maybe a message for customers to buy your product now before it runs out in stock. You can set up when the sale ends, for example. You can further customize how the timer should look like. And once you're happy, click on Publish. That's it for this short tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe if you found it helpful. Your online assistant is now off duty.